All right, what's up, folks? We'll be learning the Delta routine. This was a routine that was done in collaboration with my friend Pantelis from Greece. It goes like this. We start off with 3 time steps, starting with our right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we stomp left and right. And we're gonna get ready for a crossover like this, which we're gonna do 3. So it goes shuffle, cross, shuffle, cross, shuffle, cross. Now, you could shuffle or you could scuffle. Shuffle or scuffle, as you prefer. There's a lot of freedom to this routine, so take some initiative yourselves. So we're gonna go time step, time step, time step, stomp, stomp off, and into cross 3 times. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, and break. So what we do, we just did a hop step after our 3 cross steps. We go hop, hop, step, step, break. So it's like pretty much we're doing a TOBA break again with another break. But we're taking it here on 2, straight up. So let's take from the top. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. So, in terms of the styling, you really want to get your hop up, a hop step, and then into your TOBA. So it's a TOBA break into a tranky-do break. You could call it that way. It comes from the Spirit Moves, Leon James. Yeah, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I like to syncopate it on 5, but you could really do it your own way. Again, it's not so important. The breaks, all of the breaks at the end of the phrasing will be with a spin. And you can pretty much do it anyway, and I'm just going to show you some variations. So, first part again, let's take it from the top. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Break. 1, 2, 6, and 7. And that's the first part, the first A in the swing chorus. Now we're going to go into our second A. And the second A is, I just call it a boogie down. Boogie down. And forward. Yeah, watch again. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 7. Boogie down, up, and forward. Boogie down, up, and forward. And we're just going to do that 3 times, followed by a break. So, in terms of styling for this going down, there's different variations. You could go a sort of like into it with a pullback. So, down, pull back, down, pull back. Or you could just go slide, slide up, right? Slide, slide up. Here we go. 5, 6, boogie down. Break. So let's take our second A from the top. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3. 5, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Now, the B section is going to be Charleston steps. And we basically have 2-3 variations that I can show you, but again, this is up to you to kind of fill in whatever way you like. So the Charleston goes, it's all pretty much a jumping Charleston. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And with the variations that we're going to introduce, it's going to go like this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Break. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is just a jumping Charleston with a drag. Woo! Boom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha katika do ah won't bash katika do ah ha. And you can syncopate it however way you want, but you want to make that slide a little bit and stop it, and then bring it in, follow it through into your next Charleston. The second Charleston is more like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a triple step. So you can like triple step or even da-da-da-da. You can even put in more steps if the music allows it and it's not too fast. Da-da-da-da. So you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, da-da-da-da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, aha, aha. Whatever way you want, again, it's just a variation. And what I do is I like to shuffle on the Charleston. 1, 2, 3, shuffle. You shuffle, da, da, da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, da. We go in to our break. And what I do is it's kind of like a shuffle, step, slop, right? Shuffle, step, slop. So just a slop, boom. A slop step. Slide back, right? That's all it is. Slide back and then go into your break. So shuffle back, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's do it from the top. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. And that's the third phrase in our swing chorus. We have the A, second A, B, and now the finale on the last bit of the chorus, the last A. And for this part, we're going to do a Susie Q. It goes like this. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to prepare our foot here on 8 to go into a jumping Charleston turning. So look at this. Jumping Charleston. But now I'm going to turn to my left. Jumping Charleston to my left. And I'm going to cross. Watch again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Here he goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And slide. Slow motion. Hop, hop, change, cross, slide back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1. And we're going to really pull it out and drag it into the 1. Bring it down on 1. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, shoot. Yeah, boom. 5, 6, 7. Wa, ba, di, da, wa. Giddy, ha, boom. Okay, good. That's kind of like the tricky part. So let's do it from the Susie Q. We come out of our break. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? It's here. We come down on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now there are variations. If you have slidey shoes, you can slide in there, or just simply just jump into it as you prefer. So from the jumping Charleston, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And we scoot. I call this a scoot. I don't know what it's called, but it comes from the tranky-do. Yeah. And it's also beboppers who do that. So we come out of here and we just scoot back, right? So slide. Now the rhythm. 7, 8, 1, 2, 5, 5, 2, 1, 2. Watch again. And 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Watch again. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1. And then basically we're just gonna go from here. When we scoot back, we're just gonna pull our leg behind here, step out, and finish. And the finish is, all right, really like a ba-dum. So you can finish this at the end of a swing chorus, like in a song, for example. You could probably hit the finish. I like to hit, if the music is on, finish it on 1, or you can finish it on 8. Then you just add an extra step. So here, bam, boom, back, D, hump, right? So easy peasy, boom. Let's do that last phrase together again. We got, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, jumping, Charleston, down, ba, ba, boom, slide, scoot, scoot, cross, step, and not from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1. And there we have it. You got the delta now. Enjoy, make sure to personalize it. You don't have to do the variations that I'm doing. You don't have to do the breaks I'm doing. Just make sure to bring your own vibe and thing into it. If you don't want to go down like this, but you want to hit the floor, if you want to shimmy, you know, make sure to do it different than the person that's doing it next to you. Enjoy.